Police enforcement and its relationship with minors. Exploring paths for positive guidance. The influence of police behavior during enforcement on minors is a topic of significant concern, as the police are both maintainers of social order and one of the primary authorities minors encounter during their development. To ensure that minors grow up in a healthy environment, we must explore some perspectives on how the relationship between police enforcement and minors can be better balanced and guided. First, it is important to emphasize the self-restraint police should exercise in their words and actions during enforcement. Police should always adhere to the law and ethical standards while performing their duties, demonstrating professional attitudes and behaviors. By doing so, they can become role models for minors, setting an example of respecting others and abiding by the rules. This can have a positive impact on minors' growth and value formation. Second, police should become more involved in community activities and educational projects. Organizing lectures or interactive activities in schools, where minors can directly engage with police officers, can help minors better understand the roles and responsibilities of the police in society. Such interactions can help dispel misunderstandings and biases minors may have towards the police, encouraging them to establish trust and friendly relationships. Third, police training and education should emphasize the protection of minors. When dealing with minors during enforcement, police should be aware of their special needs and psychological state, adopting a more gentle and patient approach in their interactions. This can help ensure fairness and legality in enforcement while also creating a positive impression of the police on minors. Moreover, we need to pay attention to how society at large shapes the image of the police. Media and cultural products should approach police roles with caution, avoiding the overglorification of violence and abuse of power, and instead presenting the positive aspects of police in maintaining social order. Such guidance helps minors develop an accurate understanding of the police and teaches them how to interact positively with officers. Finally, minors should have more opportunities to participate in community governance, allowing them to gain first-hand experience of police work. This could include volunteering, community activities, and internships that provide minors with insight into the role of police in the community. This experience not only helps to cultivate their civic awareness and sense of responsibility but also allows them to form a more comprehensive and balanced set of values during their development. In summary, the impact of police on minors during enforcement is a multifaceted issue that requires a concerted effort across society to ensure the healthy growth of minors. By enhancing police training, encouraging community engagement, and emphasizing the importance of education and media guidance, we can create a more positive environment for minors, helping them develop correct values and trust in the police. This will ultimately contribute to social harmony and overall progress. Reflecting on the relationship between police enforcement and minors, we must ask ourselves, have we taken sufficient measures to ensure minors develop a correct understanding of the police? Have we created positive experiences for minors in police interactions? Have we demonstrated the proper methods of police enforcement through education and media? These are important questions we should deeply consider to ensure minors grow in a healthy environment and lay a solid foundation for their maturity and sense of social responsibility.